Hi DIYers, this is Frank at Alarm Grid. We're back in the Alarm Grid video lab working on the 2GIG GC3 today. We're going to show you how to add and remove user codes on the Go Control system. This is a touchscreen display keypad, and the user code programming is fairly straightforward. What we'll first do from the home screen is hit the little gear icon here with System Settings and enter in your master code. The default master is 1111. If you've already changed that, you want to enter in that code at this time. The first thing you'll see here on the top left is users, and then you'll see master user here. You can change that if you'd like, but for today's purposes, we'll keep that on default. We also have a different video on the differences between the master user and installer codes, the important distinctions there, and resetting the code. So feel free to check that out in our other video. For today's purposes, we'll be adding a new user. So we have add user with the blue plus icon on the top right. It'll first prompt you for a name. Since my name, we'll just put my name in here as Frank. Next. And now it's going to prompt for the user code. So we'll just put in a temporary code of 1234. I usually would recommend something more secure than that. Try and stay away from birthdays and addresses. Those are commonly used and not very secure. We can hit next, enter that one more time to lock it in, and now you'll see my name, the code here, and now this code can be used interchangeably with the master user to arm and disarm the panel. You could arm with the master, disarm with user 3, and vice versa. So if you ever wanted to then disable a code, at this point when adding a code you would just back out, and I can show you that here just by backing out all the way to the home screen. If you ever wanted to delete a code, we can go right back in. We can use the master code and users, and you'll see a little trash can icon on the right hand side of the new user I added. It'll ask you to delete. You can hit delete there, and then you'll see that it's gone. We can then back out to the home screen, and now that user has been deleted. If you have alarm.com service, this is also a way to remotely manage your user code. So if you've been set up with the app or the web login, you can use those to manage user codes as well. You can add and delete from there as well. I find it to be a little bit easier on there, although this is straightforward as well. So if you have any other questions regarding changing your user codes or any questions at all regarding the GC3, you can email us at support@alarmgrid.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.